So you want to render me jobless just because I refuse to marry you, eh? You're a very wicked person. I swear to God, you're very wicked. But don't worry. God will not shame me. You see it yourself. God is not going to
Very well then. We shall see.
shame me. Nonsense. What's that? Just drive, bro. It's a personal issue.
Madam, Mr. Francis is here to see you.
I'm all ears. Rex, take the keys from him and drive the car to the house.
Mr. Francis, this is our boss. You can lay your complaints to her.
Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? I've been calling you for the money. Things are getting out of hands. What's the problem?
I just want to run away.
What is the problem?
I just lost my job. I went to the bank to withdraw some money. Then I realized my bank account has been frozen.
I don't understand. Who froze your account? I mean, why was your account frozen?
I just feel like running away.
You don't have to sound that way. We need to look for a solution. Somehow, we need to solve this.
I don't have money!
You're shouting at me?
From hero now to zero, from something now to nothing, all because I blindly fell for someone who doesn't care for me,
Wazico.
who doesn't love me.
That's when he locked it.
I was warned, but I didn't listen.
What's going on? You're behaving like someone who's about to be blackmailed. Is there something you're not telling me?
No. It's just that I need the money. I need this money.
Have you asked Annie?
She does not have. She even went to see her sick mother in the village this evening.
Are you expecting someone?
No. No. I don't think I'm ready to see anybody. I'm not in the right frame. My head is... I need to calm my head.
No, don't worry. I asked you to get me some money. Huh? Yo, who's that?
Let a peace of God be unto this house.
Yes. Please, who are you?
Drama queen. With a nice drum.
Young man, she asked the question. Who are you and why are you here?
Okay. I am looking for my sweetheart. And her name is Jenny.
Excuse you? Who is your sweetheart? I mean, who are you looking for? How can you call me your sweetheart? Do I know you?
Tell him.
Hey! What exactly is going on here? What's going on?
I'll tell you. I want to.
My back.
Oh,
My back.
right.
Back hurts.
Well,
You told me to. My head.
I want to ask you this
Headache. I'm having
question
headache.
before I
I have
was
headache.
rudely interrupted. See? Now the question is,
My mom. My mom is spelling me. Here. My mom.
will it be fair if you allow a woman takes your child to another man? Will it be fair? This young lady here is carrying my child.
Excuse
I'm
me.
sorry.
Sorry? What did you say? Jesus, this is a madman. A madman just walked in here talking trash. What are you talking about?
A madman.
What are you talking about? What is he talking about?
I don't even know.
Okay, very well. Since she doesn't know what I'm talking about, and I'm a madman, maybe it will interest you to know if I show you some of those pictures. Those are the pictures that will confirm that this man here is not a madman.
Does that know you? See in the picture.
B. You know what computer can do these days? This picture is obviously photoshopped.
My friend, will you keep quiet? Is this not the same clothes you were wearing the day I picked you up on the road?
Good.
Now tell me, is that child his or not? Answer me!
Sorry. I was drunk.
You finished me. All because of you, I lost my job, lost my friend, I lost my family, and now I lost my joy. Oh, God, what was I thinking? Stop! You are a devil. You irritate me.
Yes.
Whew. Bravo. Well, I told you I was gonna come. Here am I. I'll be coming back for my child. Right? He's a nice guy anyway, but I'm sorry. I better take my
You are a devil. Oh, you are heartless. God will punish you. My God will punish you.
From hero now to zero, from something now to nothing, all because I blindly fell for someone who doesn't care for me, who doesn't love me. I was warned, but I didn't listen.
Uchi, I'm dead.
Oh, come on, you can't be dead now. Huh? Can a dead man still talk? See, be serious. What's the problem? Wait, is Mama alright? Just talk to me.
Truly has finished me.
Look, if you don't want me to leave this place, don't mention that name again. For God's sake, how many times do you want to be beaten before you go get sense, bros?
Can you just calm down and hear me out? Listen to me now.
Okay, fine. Bros, I don't put my 2 here, I hear you.
Remember I told her I was expecting a child?
Mm-hmm.
She's not my child. She was pregnant for her ex-boyfriend.
Her ex is responsible.
Really?
Why are you laughing now?
Wait. So Junior is not coming to this house anymore?
Why are you complicating this on me?
Really? I almost thought you are going to remove the couch, everything, the TV, everything, so there will be enough space for Junior to play. My brother, good night. Good night. I was thinking that you go and rent a duplex so that you will have a plenty space where they'll be playing cartoons and...
Why would you do this to me? And he has finished. I'm finished. Why am I so unlucky? I'm finished. Tell me, why am I so unlucky? Why am I so unlucky? Why am I so unlucky?
I don't like seeing you like this. What now?
There's going to be no wedding.
What?
There is going to be no wedding. Oh, there's going to be no wedding.
Wait, hold on. France doesn't want anymore. You have a problem with Francis?
Mommy was here.
So?
It's on Francis that I am carrying his child.
Ah! God will punish him. Thunder will fire him. Is he mad?
And thunder will not fire him. Oh.
Why?
Honey, that night I left the house, she was looking for me.
Okay.
I met Bobby at the bar.
Hey, Julie. I've never seen you in this mood before. What's going on?
Took away my joy, my only joy.
It's okay. It's fine. It's okay.
What have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what I've done to myself. What have I done to myself? Oh, what have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what I've done to myself. Now I have hurt and maybe lost the one who truly loves me, the one who's been there for me, the one that's really meant for me, really meant for me.
No!
I'm so unlucky. Honey, the wedding is over. It's over. The wedding is over. It's over. The wedding is over. Oh, goodness me. Hey!
How are you sure the pregnancy is for him?
It's for him. It is his child. I know it's for him. Honey, I know. Hey, I'm finished.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning.
Morning.
Please, is your madam inside?
Yes, Oga, but she there with Fersen.
Alright. Go inside and tell her I'm here to see her.
To, Oga.
Hey. Tell her I'm on the way. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Oga, my madam say make I tell you, Chewa.
What did she say?
Say you, in fact, Oga.
I asked her to tell you to go to hell and rot there.
May. Listen, I fucked up. Okay, I know I messed up, but please, I beg you, forgive me.
Are you listening to yourself? Franz, I loved you. Yes. And because I loved you, I became weak. And that makes you think I'm stupid. No, you are the one who's stupid.
May, it's not like that. Okay, I was confused. Yes, I was carried away, but in short, I was stupid.
Perfect.
I was very stupid.
So go home and wallow in that stupidity.
May, please. May, I'm sorry.
Oh, I regret. I'm full of regret. What am I gonna do? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself. Oh.
Kai. I don't know why some people for this life, they don't know how to use their luck. Gaskiya. How can person see my madam, my good madam, and he go let him go just like that? Kai. Some people for this life, It's not my problem. It's his own cup of chai.
Imewara mi iju eburu chimu. Ome mamu. Imewara mi iju eburu dogu. Wonyime nigwe. Imewara mi iju eburu chukwu. Okwanne funki mere mezi.
Mama. Mama, good afternoon.
What are you doing here, Francis? Francis, what are you doing here? I thought I told you never to come and see me. I told you never to come and see me, Francis.
Yes, Mama, you told me. But Mama, I'm in a total mess now. My life is a mess.
Why won't you be in a mess? Why won't you be in a mess when you started behaving like a stray dog?
Yes, that's what I am. A street dog. But please, Mama, I want you to come and help me, talk to me. Beg her to forgive me.
Me?
Yes.
Help you? Beg me to forgive you?
Yes, Mama.
Me? Meme? It's not possible. By the way, what about your new love, Julie?
Mama, don't ask me about that harlot again, please. Don't.
What right do you have to call her that name? You, what are you?
Mama, do you know what she did to me? She was pregnant. I thought it was my baby. Not knowing the child belonged to her ex. If not that the guy came to the house the other day, I wouldn't have found out. Mama, please.
Hey! Why are you telling me all this? Why? So you have the face, Francis.
Mama.
You have the face to come here and ask me to help you beg me when you refuse to listen to my advice.
I have learned my lessons. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You have not learned your lesson. You still need to learn more. You still need to learn more. Makanonya pataling kwaruru. Simbele beli olole. Yanane?
Mama, are you saying you're not going to help me?
I will not help you.
Mama, you have to help me. You have to help me. Else I'm going to take my own life and you'll be held responsible for that. Mama, please, you have to help me. Please. Please, I beg you, please. Mama, please, my head is on fire now. I beg you, please. Mama, please.
Francis!
Mommy, please. Please, Mama. Help me. Help me beg her to forgive me, please. My only son. Please, Mama.
Francis! Francis!
Mama, please.
You're giving me emotional blackmail, Francis!
Mama, I'm sorry. Please, Mama.
Give it there. Stand up. Wait for me.
Okay, Mama.
What am I gonna do? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
Mama, knock very well. Someone is inside.
God bless.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine.
Is your madam in the house?
Hey, madam.
Okay. Please help me tell her that Francis' mother is here to see her.
Oh.
Oh, my son, it was not my fault.
It was my fault.
You're here?
Yes.
Mama, you shouldn't have stressed yourself. Better still, you should have called me that you want to come and I'll send somebody to come get you.
Don't worry. I'm here already. Oh? I'm here already. Please, we need to talk.
I'm very certain that he made you come here, Mama. He stressed you and brought you here. I don't want him inside my house. His presence alone irritates me.
My daughter, I understand your feelings. I understand your feelings. You have every right to feel the way you do. But please, for my sake, we need to talk.
Mama, I hate to see you stress yourself, but honestly, I can't let him in.
Biko, Mom. Biko, please. Please.
Come in, Mama. I cannot believe that after everything I did for Francis, he will betray me. He will betray me so terribly. You stabbed me in the back and you treated me so harshly after everything.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all my wrong deeds. Please forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Not one word from you, Francis. After everything you did to me, no woman will forgive you. Not to talk of taking you back. No woman will take you back.
I know.
My daughter, please, I understand how you feel. But I'm here to beg you to forgive him. But taking him back, that is your decision to make. Please just forgive him. He didn't do well at all.
Mama. I love you.
I know.
And I respect you a lot. You are the only reason why why am I even calling you Franz? Why Francis is seated here now? If it wasn't for you, I would not even let his feet into my house. And because of the love and respect I have for you, Mama, I will say I have heard you. And I will think about it. But
thank you, Mom. Thank you. God bless you. Oh, God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Not one word.
Kaina.
I'm sorry, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Please do not go with my unborn child. Julie, honestly, I know I messed up big time. I'm sorry. Look, I'm only being concerned about our unborn child, right? I couldn't have just allowed you to go with that guy. Please, I beg you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'll be on my way now. Sure, you go see me now. All right.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
But I've not eaten since yesterday. Yeah. Just eat a little.
I just said I'm not hungry now. Is it by force to eat food? I'm not hungry. Leave me alone.
No. Eat something.
Mama, I'm not hungry, please. I'm not hungry.
Ikechi.
Mama.
Take the food inside.
Mama, you're welcome. Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Good afternoon. How are you?
You're welcome.
God bless you. You're welcome.
Mama, I said to come and see you and to ask how you are feeling.
As you can see, I am well and strong.
I'm happy to see you this
You're
way.
welcome. Hey, let me go and get something for you to eat.
Oh no, Mama. Honestly, I'm not hungry at all.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What about the thing I asked you to think about? Have you come out with answer?
Mama.
Yes.
You know I love you. And I respect you a lot. So for your sake, I forgive him.
Ah, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
I forgive him, Mama.
Thank you. Oh, Mom.
Yes, Mama.
Thank you very much, darling. I'm a changed man now.
And also, Mama, I don't have anything in mind against him. Okay. But I also do not want to have anything to do with him. Not romantically and not in my business either.
Babe, darling.
Be kind enough not to come close to me or touch me while you talk. As I was saying, Mama, I honestly bear no grudge against him. I just wanted you to know that I love you so much, and for your sake, I let it go.
But you thank God you're here. Please let me talk to her. Okay? I don't want to lose her. Please. I love her so much.
Mama, I also forgot to tell you something very important the last time. I'll be traveling, for a couple of weeks because I'm preparing to get married. I forgot to give you my wedding invitation card, so I brought it here. And Mama, I honestly want for you to start something, even though I'm going to be checking up on you from time to time. So, I also wrote you a surprise check. Mama, please don't cry.
Buchi, you're not saying anything. Buchi, you're not saying anything. What's going on?
Francis, I'm sorry, okay?
What's going on? Help me talk to her. Okay, I don't want to lose her. I'm a changed man now.
Because you saw the card. May they change the name.
I have to go now. Don't.
Buchi!
I'm full of regret. What am I gonna do?
Francis Ibukomo! Ibukomo Francis Inokona Village Abakaya! Hey!
What have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself.
Francis Ibukomo! Francis Ibukomo! Francis Inokona Village Abakaya!
What have I done to myself? Oh, to myself. See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what I've done.
My friend. What's going on here? Why are you playing with my door now? Huh?
Madam asked us to come and lock up this house.
How? I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Lock my house. Why?
When last did you pay your rent?
What kind of nonsense question is that? Huh? What business do you have when I paid my rent last?
She's the landlady of this house. And for your bags, they are at the back of the house.
Hey.
And we've sent the property to Buchi's mom. He said he owns the property.
From something now to nothing, all because I blindly fell for someone who doesn't care for me, who doesn't love me. I was warned, but I didn't listen. Now in the hard way I've learned my lesson. Oh, I regret.
Danny, I seriously need your help. I'm losing it. Please, I need your help.
Okay, because you need my help now, yeah? You're in trouble now, you need my help. But remember I asked Butch to call you and you refused to come. And you told him that you mind my business.
Listen, I was under a spell. That useless girl used charms on me. Please. You have to hear me out.
So what do you want me to do now?
Tani, I need a roof over my head. I can't go back to the village like this. I need to stay back here and push harder, you know.
Anyway, I know I don't stay here anymore. I only came to see my landlord and pick some of the things, okay?
Okay, can I at least stay in your house? For some time?
Guy, my fiancée will not allow that. No? She won't.
Why are you sounding like this now?
There's nothing I can do, guy. Please.
Tani, please, just for okay, at least for a few days, let me just put myself together. I'm sure I'll come up with something.
It's not my problem. If for me, I will do it for you, but my fiancée will not allow that, and I don't want her to get upset. Yeah, please.
Your own house? Tani, so is there nothing you can do right now for me? Just like that?
Hey! You're pestering and begging and coming here to kneel down. It's no longer funny. I mean, it's not safe for me. It is no longer safe.
May, where there is no sin, there is no forgiveness. Even the Bible says it.
Alas, you are going to discuss the Bible. You will open your mouth and talk about the Holy Bible. Listen, Francis, I do not want to have anything to do with you. I don't intend to rethink my decision. I do not want to have anything to do with you. I would rather kiss a toilet seat than have anything to do with you. I would rather die than be with you. What? Do you understand?
Why would you say a thing like that?
Don't.
Think about the good times. Please, I beg you.
No. Did you hear me? This is no longer safe.
But you know I love this woman so much. Why would you try to take her away from me? Why?
Francis, why don't you just leave, okay?
But talk to me.
What's happening there?
Hey, babe. Francis came back and he's been begging and crying that he wants me back. Perhaps you have something to say to him.
Francis, me and I are getting married.
And Buchi here happens to be the best man.
So, I would advise you to turn back and leave, or force the police to do that for you.
Did you hear that? You're going to get arrested. He's going to get the cops to arrest you. You are going to get picked up. You and your Gucci cap, you're going to get picked up. You have to leave. You're going to get arrested. Yeah, think about it. Think about it. You, the tears, the Gucci cap, you're going to get arrested.
It's alright. I'll leave.
From something now to nothing, all because I blindly fell for someone who doesn't care for me, who doesn't love me. I was warned, but I didn't listen. Now in the hard way I've learned my lesson. Oh, I regret. I'm full of regret. What am I gonna do? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
I think it is time for me to go and reconcile with Julie.
See what I've done to myself.
At least I'll have a shelter for my head.
Oh, see what I've done to myself. What have I done to myself? Oh, what have I done to myself? See what I've done to myself. Oh, see what I've done.
This looks good.
Wow.
Okay. This would be nice. You know, tomorrow we're going to put tie.
Sure.
You're gonna wear tie, right? But you're going to change this belt. I don't think.
And it's my old belt now, the one I bought from that Calabar guy. That man. So change it. So
Okay.
don't worry.
You know, tomorrow is going to be dope.
Oh, you can say that again.
Get down.
Can you just put down?
No! I said get down! You just got married a few months ago. And you think you can marry another woman? Get down!
We're not getting, we're just trying to guess.
So wicked. Now move. I'll shoot. I said move!
There's nothing wrong with loving someone, but it's terrible when you love the wrong one. Your heart and emotions will be toyed with. Yes, it will. Your decisions and actions will be affected negatively. You'll be manipulated, and taken advantage of. Yeah. Even when you find the one that's good for you, you may never know because you were blinded by fantasy love. You were blinded by...
Brother, where have you been for the past 6 days? Mama has been looking for you everywhere.
The world has been turning me round and round. And now it has brought me back to the same place I started my journey.
Brother, I really feel your pain. But this is something you could have prevented. Imagine you going from grass to grace and then from grace to the mud.
I wish everyone could learn from my story. You all have the right to call me stupid. Yes, I was. Because I shot myself on the leg.
Brother, it's okay. Let me get you something to eat.
Food is not my problem right now. It is not my problem.
To myself. No, I have hurt and made a love.
Okay, let me take you back.
The one who truly loves me. The one who's been there for me. The one that's really meant for me. Really meant for me. The one that truly loves me. Oh, All because I was blinded by my fantasy love for the wrong person who doesn't love me. Oh, now looks like I've lost it all. What am I gonna do? Will I ever get it all back again?
May, please, forgive him. Hmm? He has realized his mistakes. Obiko.
I'm not a bad person. Circumstances only got me stupid. But please, forgive me.
No more errors.
No more.
No second chances.
Yes.
Don't cry.
Mama! Mama!
I promise you,
Mama!
I will never let you down again. I promise you.
Who are you going to make it up to? Has it been long you've been sleeping here?
Where's Mama?
She traveled.
Traveled?
Yes. Mama went with Auntie May to France for her wedding. I'm surprised she didn't tell you.
What?
Brother, I don't want easy to you really fucked up, oh. Anyways, I'll be going back to school tomorrow. So, try and know how to do yourself. Stop sleeping over here. Don't know.
I'm sorry. I'll never forgive myself for this.
I'll never forgive myself for this. I'll never forgive myself for this.
Confusion and commotion in your life. If you love the wrong one, you will make wrong decisions, take the wrong actions just to please them. You could miss good opportunities. Instead, you create animosities just to please them, just to please them. You'll make mistakes that you will regret. If you don't wake up to reality, it could be too late for you, because you could end up losing it all, losing it